wonderfuls. Thanks so much for coming back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing wonderful. So today I want to share with you this honey bourbon chicken recipe that I got off of Facebook. I actually found it, and I'm trying to share right here a image of it that I have been seeing lately, these recipes with all the ingredients, and they just have been really intriguing me lately. So that's what I'm talking about here. But I will put the link down below. It actually came from persnicketyplates.com, and it is actually a slow cooker recipe, but I didn't realize it was slow cooker, and I had to put in my Instapot, but it turned out great. Everybody loved it. So let me share with you the ingredients, and again, I'll put it down below. Okay, the first thing you will need is some low sodium soy sauce. This is all that I had, and I hate that I got low, that I didn't even realize I didn't have it. You'll also need some minced garlic, some red pepper flakes, some tomato ketchup, some honey, some olive oil, salt and pepper, and an onion. I have a small onion because it calls for a half of cup of onions, but also you will need 2 pounds of chicken breast or chicken thighs, whatever you prefer, and that is all your ingredients. Okay guys, so to start off, what I did was I cleaned my chicken, and then also I trimmed some of the fat and the tendon that is in the chicken as well before I put it in my Instapot. Okay, this is what the chicken looks like, all trimmed and in the crock pot. This is a little over 2 pounds. On the website, you can double and triple it, so you can just click 1, 2, or 3 times to do that. Usually I have to double my recipes. So here, we're going to start with 1 cup of honey, and I do a little bit more just because I have a little bit more chicken, more than 2 pounds. Then you're going to put in your 1 cup of low sodium soy sauce. I have the regular. I really wish I had the low sodium. And then next you're going to put in your ketchup, and that is a half a cup of ketchup. And again, I had a little bit over 2 pounds, so I put just a little bit of everything, a little bit more of everything except the soy sauce because of all the sodium. And now I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then I added 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and oil. You can add a little bit more if you would like. Then I added a half a teaspoon of the red pepper flakes. Here guys, I made the mistake and added more honey because I had a little bit more chicken and I wanted to empty out this bottle. But JJ and my husband loved it, but I could tell it had a little bit too much honey in it. So it's up to you if you want to use the honey or not. Then I added some black pepper. You can add as little or as much as your liking. It doesn't say how much pepper to add. And I think it does say add salt, but I didn't. Then I mixed everything together really good, and then I chopped a onion. I kind of had a small onion, and I chopped that up and put it inside of the mixture. Now I'm going to season my chicken with some black pepper really good. Now I'm getting ready to pour that mixture that we made a couple of minutes ago into the Instapot with the chicken. And then we're going to mix this around and then let it cook. Now I'm going to put my lid on and make sure that it's locked, and also make sure that my vent is closed in the back. And then I'm going to put it on the poultry setting, and I'm going to put it on, adjust the pressure to high. So that's what I'm doing now, and press start. Okay guys, so 25 minutes plus later, I usually, well, you're supposed to let the vent, let the pressure go down by itself. So don't try to take the pressure out by loosening the vent, because the stuff inside may splatter everywhere. So it's warming. It was in a warm setting, and then I'm just stirring it around, just looking at it, and it looks nice and seasoned and done. And then I'm going to take my kitchen shears, which I didn't show on camera, and I just take the kitchen shears and get them from Dollar Tree or whatever, and I'll just cut the pieces up into really nice shreds. You can take it out and you can shred it with a fork if you would like.
That's the spinning. Look how much is spinning.
I think this won't go fast or slow.
Probably just going to set to rocks and probably think there's life in it, but there's actually nothing in it. I'm going to think probably good.
What's to do when we finish? But today,
Clean stuff up.
all pieces that we're not using, huh?
Okay, the last clip I just left the audio in, and I prepared some boiling bag brown rice, and I discovered this a couple of years ago, and so the prep time is not as long with the brown rice this way, but I do buy the other brown rice as well that's in, you know, in the box that you have to soak for a little while and cook a little bit longer. So this is really simple. And then I'm pulling out leftovers. So we have broccoli, and we have some collard greens and some black-eyed peas that we can pair it with this meal. So this is what it looks like all done on a bed of brown rice with some parsley, and they actually liked it. I had mine with collard greens, and they had theirs with broccoli, I believe. I don't remember, y'all. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.